China's Mekao Special Administrative Region on Tuesday marked the 23rd anniversary of its return to the motherland with a flag-raising ceremony and a reception. Around 250 government officials and other guests attended the flag-raising ceremony held on the Golden Lotus Square. Later, around 350 guests attended the reception. Ho Yat-sung, chief executive of the Mekao SAR, recalled at the reception how the Mekao SAR government made full effort in its response to the COVID-19 during the past 3 years while promoting the continuous development of various causes, safeguarded national security, and actively participated in the building of the Guangdong-Hong Kong-Macau Greater Bay Area and the Guangdong-Macau In-Depth Cooperation Zone in Hengqin of neighboring Zhuhai City. He voiced confidence that Macau will surely tide over difficulties and create new prospects with support from the central authorities and efforts made by all walks of life in the SAR.